Double knot stitch is an elegant decorative stitch. You can distance the knots as closely or as far apart as you like. I'm using a hoop to stitch, but I've kept the tension a bit loose so that there's enough slack to gather the cotton. Bring the needle up at your starting point, then take it down maybe half a stitch length along and catch a tiny amount of fabric from top to bottom. You can see that the needle travels across the central line that I've marked. Pull the thread through to create a small slanted stitch. To create the knot, thread the needle through the left-hand side of this stitch without piercing the fabric, keeping the working thread to the right. Pull the thread through. Now keep the working thread to the left and thread the needle down on the right-hand side, keeping the working thread under the needle. Pull the thread through again and make a small horizontal stitch to complete the first knot. To continue with the second stitch, bring the needle up again and make a small slanting stitch by catching the fabric across the line of the stitch. Thread the needle through the left-hand side of this stitch and pull the thread through. Then take the needle through the right-hand side of the stitch and pull through with the thread underneath. Finish the knot with a small stitch to match the beginning. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.